What?
What up, gang? Right now I'm about to tell you something very special video, okay? I'm gonna tell you how you can get a ton of fans, gain them fast before the end of the year, and how you can also make everybody who ever doubted you just feel so stupid. And I think that's the best part of this video. You're gonna be able to make everybody go, wow, he did what? He has what? She has what? Huh? Who, what? He, she, whatever you identify as, they have what? Now check this out, this is so cool, okay? Imagine that you could get verses from legends in hip hop, and you actually have your name next to their name as a feature. Now this may sound crazy, but this is actually something that's really happening right now. So I'm making sure that you are aware of it, because you can do this and then use my marketing strategy I'm gonna give you at the end of this video. First of all, I just wanna start by saying this. How do I say this? You guys don't even know what I'm about to say. But I'm about to say it. I'm gonna name a couple people. Let me see if you know these names. Razzcast, Crooked Eye, Corrupt, who if you don't know him, he's part of the Dog Pound with Snoop. These people are considered legendary, and there's a reason why I'm mentioning these people, okay? And if you don't know this, you need to know this, because this is hip hop history, okay? So what's happening right now is you're actually able to get songs that have hooks and verses from these legends in hip hop, which means that you have your name next to their name on your song. And the reason I'm even mentioning them is because right now I just found out about something that I didn't actually ever think was ever gonna happen. There's actually songs that have these features on them that you can get. And then as soon as you record a verse, you release the song, and you now have features with these legendary hip hop artists. It's almost crazy. It like legit is. Yeah. Like I would never think that these guys would do this, but you wanna know what happened is this, is that Gabe from Legion Beats, he spent so much. I just got off the phone with him, okay? I thought he was just gonna do beats this year, like for Black Friday that he usually does. He said, no, I'm not doing that this year. I bought all these exclusive verses from these legendary hip hop people, and I have them inside of this pack. So you get all these beats, exactly, right? So now I'm gonna tell them my strategy though. Like number one, Crooked Eyes from Raw. Like think about all the people I just mentioned. I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, these are hip hop legends. Crooked Eyes, Raw. You know what I'm saying? You got, everybody knows who Corrupt is. Razzcast. He's selling all these collabs for $47.
What?
What? That's what I'm saying. You get the beats with them on the verses or on the hook, and you get that. And it's exclusive. You're allowed to use it. And you get to say you have a collaboration with that person.
Oh, nice. Wow.
$47. I never would have thought that a legendary hip hop artist would like sell exclusive rights that you could then resell, which is what he's doing, which is insane.
Yeah.
It's legit insane. It's crazy. It's pretty. It's like almost like, why would you not get this? It's like you're paying $10 for like a feature from an artist just to say that you have it. And the thing is though, is nobody else is gonna know that people bought these verses from a beat lease thing. Right? All their friends, all their family, when they release these, they're just gonna see this. So they're able to utilize this to make themselves look more significant. They'll get that social proof. Like, oh, you got collabs with them? You'd be like, yeah, I do. And you're not lying. It's really there. That's why this is like massive. It's $10 a verse. So now I want to tell you about my marketing strategy with this. If you get this, which is freaking dirt cheap, you don't spend your marketing dollars marketing to new fans who don't know you. What you do is you take your marketing dollars, let's say you have like $500 to market a song, and you actually target, say you use the song with Crooked Eye on it, you target all Crooked Eyes fans. Right now, everybody who sees this is gonna think, oh, they got a song with Crooked Eye. They're gonna click that because they see Crooked Eye. They're not worried about you yet, right? And also, you don't say your name featuring Crooked Eye, you say Crooked Eye featuring your name. There's the trick. That's the trick. You see your face, wait, this motherfucker, Biggie, right? Because that's what I'm gonna do with my upcoming songs, right? Because people are like, oh, I'm a fan of that person, he got a new song, and you just happen to be on it. It just happens to lead to your Spotify. That's the play. That's how you do it. Crooked Eye is part of Slaughterhouse.
Yep.
Okay, number one, Crooked Eye is part of Slaughterhouse. You get a feature with him. That alone, for the price of this, quit playing. So if you want to get this, go in the link below and get this, because you're basically paying $10 for features that would cost you thousands of dollars per artist that's on this. I mean, this is absolutely genius, honestly. And if you use my marketing strategy I'm talking about here, genius. Rob, what if a bunch of people buy this? And I might as well address it. You're like, Rob, what if a bunch of people buy this and then they market to that audience? Well, number one, only people who are watching this video will know that strategy. Number one, because that's my strategy, and I never shared that with anybody because I'm going to be doing it for all my features. Number two, who cares? You're getting seen, you're going to get that click, you're going to get that play, and that's why I'm telling them to do it immediately. Because the people who do it now and they do it within the next 2 weeks to a month, they're going to be the ones that get it. And after that, you still have the feature. Who cares?
True.
You can still go get other fans. These people have millions of fans. There's millions of their fans to take, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay? It's not like there's like one set of people. There's millions of these people. These are legends.
Yeah.
Okay? So I wouldn't worry about that. Plus, you have the song. It's now a feature on your tape, on your project. you have the features. I can't believe that
And it's exclusive.
it's exclusive. You can so you can use it.
Yeah. That's good.
Right. So don't worry about that if that's what your thought process was. Go below and get it. It's worth just having the feature to be able to put that. You can put that on your Instagram profile. I have features with blah, 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 blah. Anybody who sees that, they're not going to know you got it here or there. They're not going to know that. Right? And these artists sell verses. Right? Like I would do a song with Crooked Eye.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But
That, you don't
bars. Okay, so real quick. So I just wanted to call you and ask you because I had this idea. When people get the verses with, like, say, Crooked Eye and everybody like that, is there an upsell ability for them to be able to buy the track out of those beats?
Yes.
So that means that they would get the verse vocals. So wait, so they could buy the track out, and this means that every time they made a song with that verse, it would be a unique song, and everybody wouldn't be rapping on the same beat. Because that's a massive thing. Because that was a concern that my team had, because we had a bunch of artists in here that worked for me. I was trying to find a way to, like, be like, yeah, it still works, but no, this is even better. When I was like, wait a minute, can you track this out? I mean, you guys could actually get the verse to put any beats you want. You can have AG make a fucking new beat, have a raw beat, put Crooked Eye on it, and then you make your own. Oh, that's raw, bro.
Yes. If you want permission to take the vocals and actually put them onto another beat, then those are transfer rights. If they buy the transfer and they didn't buy the track outs, we'll send them the acapella.
Oh, so you don't have to buy the track outs to get it. So you get the transfer. So okay, cool. So you don't have to purchase that extra track out. How much is the transfer, which then comes with the vocals? That was so smart for him to do that.
Setting it up right now.
It's worth it. It's less than a Crooked Eye verse. Exactly. No matter what you're charging, it's less than a Crooked Eye verse cost. So it's worth it. You're basically like, I might do this because I just have an extra Crooked Eye verse that I would chop up, bro.
Yeah.
Honestly, you should. But yeah, so it's $100. $100 for one artist.
You're gonna pay $1,000 plus minimum to get a verse from him. I pay $100 for Crooked Eye alone, but then to get all of them, bro, that's at the end of the day, they can get the transfer rights and put that on any beat that they want.
Exactly right.
That's all I wanted to know, my friend.
Bro, and the Crooked Eye verse, by the way, is fire. Like, it's,
Of course it is. It's Crooked Eye, bro.
like, it's not some throwaway, bro, it is dope. Like, I listened to it over and over because I was like, damn.
That's how you know it is. Like, you go back and listen to it. Okay, we got this. All right, so he's not in the video right now. We're going to show people this because I believe this is actually a really big opportunity for every artist to at least get some social credibility and some social proof for themselves. To just be like, look, I got a verse from Crooked Eye and it's on my own song. It's not on everybody else's. Maybe it's the same verse, but it doesn't matter because not everybody's listening to every single upcoming artist. People haven't heard that fucking verse. And if they do, they'll think it's a remix. Big deal. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, who cares? You still have the verse.
Right.
And the rights to it.
It's a shortcut.
It's a rapper's shortcut.
You know, like, it goes back forever, right? If you want to get your song in front of more people, then you can leverage other people's audiences by paying a load of money for a feature from that big artist. Basically, this is the shortcut where for a tiny fraction of that price, you know, you can do that exact same thing. And it's not some, like, garbage, this verse he recorded 6 years ago and 1 million people have recycled. Like, no, he recorded this for us. It's dope as and you can take that and run with it with your song.
All right, we're doing this. Okay, cool. All right, bro. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thanks.
All right, later, bro. That's really cool. That's fucking awesome. Well, you can buy the verses, and you can do that. That's why when I thought of it, I was like, I gotta call him. I was like, because if you can buy the verses, and you can.
Right.
You would pay thousands of dollars for a Crooked Eye verse.
Yeah.
And you get it for $100.
Yeah.
And you can put it on any beat.
Yeah.
Problem solved. I'm excited. Literally legit. I might buy I have the verse to it.
Shortcut. It's a shortcut.
It's a rapper's shortcut. So also what you're gonna want to do is if you don't know how to run ads on YouTube or on Facebook and Instagram, I have courses for that. So if you're confused, like, oh, Rob, I don't know how to run those ads. Well, I can teach you how to do that. So go get your hands on this in the link below. Get those verses, record your songs, and then come back and get the Instagram course, the Facebook ads course, get the YouTube ads course. I'll show you how to market to their fan base. Okay? Now remember, the sooner you do this, the better. That's also why it's good. It's like only the artists who are serious, who do this and then use this marketing strategy are actually gonna get ahead. And everybody who sees you have all these features on your project, they're probably gonna take your project a little bit more seriously, wouldn't you say? Because you have legendary people. Just quit playing. All right, so click below this video and go get your hands on that and then utilize my strategy. All right, at the end of the day, you still get the features, you still have that. It has so many benefits. For the price, it's dirt cheap. I mean, I can't believe it. It's like you're paying $10 for a multi-$1,000 verse for each one of these people. It's ridiculous. So, all right, I'm done talking. Click below, go check it out. You don't want to get it, that's fine, but at least go look at it because I believe this is a massive opportunity for anybody who actually is a smart rapper. And I think that if you made it this far into the video, you're pretty damn smart. All right, so click the links below and keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. You ain't subscribed, all right? To it.
Shortcut. It's a shortcut.
It's a rapper's shortcut.